Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're practicing 55 sentences about listening to English throughout the year. Listen first, then repeat. Let's begin. Starting your journey. I want to improve my English listening. I listen to English every day. Slow English is easier to understand. I practice listening in the morning. English podcasts help me learn. I repeat what I hear. This helps me remember new words. I'm getting better every week. I set small goals for myself. 10 minutes a day is enough to start. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to be consistent. Some days are easier than others, but I never skip a day. My ears are learning to recognize English sounds. I can feel my brain getting stronger. Learning a language takes time and patience. I'm willing to put in the effort. Every sentence I practice helps me improve. I trust the process. Let's continue. Winter months. In January, I start with simple sentences. I listen while drinking my morning coffee. The new year gives me motivation. I write down words I don't understand. Then I look them up later. This helps me build my vocabulary step by step. I keep a notebook with all my new words. February is cold, so I stay inside and practice. I can understand more words now. My vocabulary is growing slowly but surely. I notice patterns in how English sentences work. The structure becomes clearer to me. In March, the weather gets warmer. I listen to English on my walks. Nature sounds and English practice go together. My pronunciation is improving. I can hear the difference between similar words now. Winter was a great time to build my foundation. I'm ready for spring and new challenges. Good job. Spring arrives. April brings new energy for learning. I challenge myself with longer sentences. I try listening without looking at the text. Sometimes I understand everything perfectly. Other times I need to listen twice. That's completely normal. In May, I listen during my lunch break. The flowers bloom and my English grows too. I start understanding jokes in English. This makes me feel really happy. June is perfect for outdoor listening practice. I take my phone to the park. I repeat sentences under the trees. Summer makes learning feel easy. The warm weather gives me extra energy. I feel more confident when I speak English now. Keep going. Summer days. July is hot, but I keep practicing. I listen to English at the beach. The sound of waves and English words mix together. I practice early in the morning when it's cool. Sometimes I practice late in the evening too. I'm flexible with my schedule but never skip my practice. In August, I take my holiday. Even on holiday, I practice for 10 minutes. Consistency is more important than perfection. I listen while having breakfast at my hotel. Sometimes I practice on the train or bus. I notice I understand conversations better now. When tourists ask me questions, I can help them. This feels wonderful and encouraging. My confidence is growing. I realize how far I've come since January. 6 months of daily practice has made a real difference. September brings a fresh start. Summer holidays are over, but my learning continues. I return to my regular practice schedule. I feel excited about the autumn months ahead. You're doing great. Autumn learning. The leaves change colour in October. My English skills are changing too. I understand native speakers more easily. I can follow movies without subtitles now. Well, most of the time anyway. Some accents are still challenging. But that's okay. I'm still learning. British English and American English sound different to me now. I'm starting to notice these differences. In November, the days get shorter. But my listening sessions stay consistent. I practice in the evening with a cup of tea. Cozy autumn nights are perfect for learning. I light a candle and focus on my practice. I can hear the difference in my own speaking. My friends notice my improvement too. They say my English sounds more natural. This encouragement keeps me motivated. I feel grateful for their support. Almost there. Year's end reflection. December arrives with winter weather. I've been practicing all year long. My listening skills have improved so much. I started with simple sentences. Now I can understand complex conversations. I can watch TV shows in English. I can listen to podcasts about interesting topics. I can even understand jokes and humour now. This makes me feel really connected to English culture. Every day of practice made a difference. Even the difficult days helped me grow. I listened in winter, spring, summer, and autumn. The seasons changed, and I changed with them. I never gave up. There were moments when I felt frustrated. There were days when I didn't see progress. but I kept coming back. That's the secret to success. Small steps every single day. Now I can be proud of what I achieved. I proved to myself that I can do difficult things. I'm not the same person I was in January. Looking forward. Next year, I'll continue this journey. I'll practice even more. I'll challenge myself with new topics. Maybe I'll try listening to audiobooks. Or I'll watch documentaries in English. I might even try speaking with native speakers online. My English will keep getting stronger. Listening practice works when you do it regularly. It doesn't matter if you're fast or slow. What matters is that you don't stop. Every learner has their own pace. Respect your own journey. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. You have the power to change your English skills. One sentence at a time. One day at a time. 1 year at a time. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. You've already taken so many steps this year. Keep walking forward. Great job today. You practiced 130 sentences about listening throughout the year. Remember, every season is a good season for learning. Keep practicing every day. See you next time. Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.